5 Most dangerous animals. Unveil the world's most dangerous creatures. First up, the ferocious saltwater crocodile, lurking beneath the water surface. Next, meet the deadly Cape buffalo, Africa's unpredictable beast. Third, the venomous king cobra, a lethal snake with a deadly bite. Fourth, the stealthy great white shark, an underwater killing machine. Lastly, the fearsome mosquito, the tiny terror carrying deadly diseases. Discover these fascinating creatures and learn why they're considered the most dangerous in the world.